This better be better than KFC. All right, chat. This is Jollibee. I'm gonna chat everybody in the Philippines. Okay, everybody in the Philippines say that this is better than KFC. So let's check it out. What? What the fuck? What the fuck? What? Hold on. What the fuck? Why this shit good? Why this shit so good? What the fuck is Jollibee? Why this shit so good? Why the fuck is fried chicken so good? God damn. Who seasoned this? Why is this so well seasoned? What the hell? I thought y'all was dragging it. What the fuck, Philippines? Who seasoned this?
Who made it? Who made it?
Who made this?
Who made the chicken? Bring him, bring him.
Bring him, bring him. Who made this?
Where's the chef?
Why this shit is good though? On God, child. No, child, I'm not even dragging it. It's actually good as fuck. Oh, you know. Damn! Damn! All right, y'all ready for the rating now? Is it better than KFC?
Yeah, they're gonna be helping.
Look, I'm gonna say this. I'm gonna be completely honest. I'm gonna be completely honest. Now look. This is better than some KFC. But there's some KFC chicken that's better than this chicken. So it depends on which store you go to. All right? But it's like, bro, like, if I go to a KFC in Thailand, it's good as fuck. It's like on pork. Oh, fuck! Fuck! Who the fuck? Y'all making good-ass fried chicken. Chat, if you black, go to Jollibee. Is this in America? It is? Oh. I didn't even know that. I'm gonna put this fried chicken in the crowd.
No, don't. They already just broke that door.
Oh yeah, I ain't gonna lie.
Give us 1 second.
They getting too crazy? They getting too crazy? Hey, chill out. Chill out, Chilana. Calm her. All right, so I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. We might gotta go. Wait, where my phone at? Where my phone at?
Let me take a picture.
Who got my phone?